Hello everyone, and welcome to your capstone course. I am proud to be part of your final 5 weeks, and as I cheer you along to your final day, we also have a lot of important work to accomplish. We begin the course by getting a job. No, I don't expect you to get hired with an actual company. Instead, we all will get hired with the AU Multi-Generational Center. To accomplish this goal, we will refine or create a LinkedIn profile, build a professional resume, a cover letter, and complete the interview process. Once the job has been obtained, we will begin putting your skills to use. Throughout the remainder of the course, we will develop a workshop, we will solve a problem related to ethical standards, and in doing so, we will explore various aspects, including professional standards and potential roadblocks. One aspect of this course that I find especially beneficial is that you will be getting outside of your educational bubble. What do I mean by that? Until now, your courses have been comprised of students seeking the same degree as yourself. In this course, we have combined all education students. This will allow you to collaborate and interact much like you will in the professional environment. I encourage you to interact with those outside of your major as much as possible to learn from one another. Okay, I know you are all excited to get started. If you have not already, take time to look through the activities of the course so you can get the full picture of what we will be doing through the course. I will post announcements regularly. Please be sure to read/view them as they will contain valuable information. For now, be sure to review the additional course policy announcement as this contains important information regarding discussions, late work, and resubmissions. Congratulations on entering your final course.